Hello everyone, and welcome back to Yuge Office Japan Visa TV. Are you dreaming of living in Japan long term? Well, here's some good news. While the standard path to Japan Permanent Residency usually takes 10 years, there are faster legal pathways that can get you PR in as little as 3 years, or even just 1 year, if you qualify. Japan Permanent Residency, or Japan PR, is a powerful status that opens many doors. For example, without Japan Permanent Residency, getting a bank loan or mortgage for a house or investment property in Japan is often extremely difficult, sometimes even impossible. In this video, I'll explain how the Highly Skilled Foreign Professional HSFP program and the new J-Skip system can help you fast-track your Japan PR application. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about how you can get Japan Permanent Residency sooner, especially if you're a business professional, hold a university degree, or earn a high income as a company executive. Normally, permanent residency in Japan requires 10 years or more of living in the country, along with a strong record of contributing to Japanese society, like consistently paying your taxes. But here's the good news. If you qualify as a highly skilled foreign professional, under Japan's point-based immigration system, your path to PR can be much shorter. Here's how it works. If you score 70 points or more, you can apply for PR after just 3 years of residence. If you score 80 points or more, you can apply after just 1 year. But please keep in mind, even with these fast-track options, you must live in Japan for at least 180 days per year to remain eligible. And thanks to the new J-Skip system, if you're earning at least 40 million yen per year as an executive, you can be automatically recognized as highly skilled with no point calculation needed. This means you could apply for permanent residency in just 1 year. Once you obtain permanent residency in Japan, a whole new world of opportunity opens up, especially in the real estate market. With PR status, foreign investors can finally access bank financing, and it allows you to buy properties and obtain licenses for short-term rentals, or buy and run buildings with rental spaces, like offices or shops. And also you can plan ahead to save money on inheritance tax and property tax. This means your home in Japan can simply become a way for you to make money. Real estate in Japan now is a smart choice for international investors and business owners around the world. In Yuge Office Japan Visa TV, we offer full support for your Japan Permanent Residency journey, including checking your highly skilled professional points and helping you make a plan. Fast-track options to move from a business manager visa to permanent residency. Preparing all the documents you need for your application, including for your family members. Giving you ongoing advice and support to keep your residency status safe, and connecting you with trusted real estate partners right here in Japan. With AidSphere, you're not alone. We'll guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.